Modified Electronics Manufacturing Clusters Scheme EMC 2.0. Word modified indicates that this scheme already exists and this has been modified, and this modified version has been named as 2.0 EMC Electronics Manufacturing Cluster 2.0. Union Cabinet has approved Modified Electronics Manufacturing Cluster Scheme. The total outlay of this scheme is rupees 3,762 crore and 25 lakh rupees. This sum will be spent over a period of 8 years. The Modified Electronics Manufacturing Cluster Scheme would help in setting up of both electronic manufacturing clusters EMCs and common facility centers CFCs. In electronics manufacturing clusters, the focus will be on development of basic infrastructure, amenities, and other common facilities for ESDM, mean electronic system design and manufacturing units. Common Facility Center will provide common facilities for electronic system design and manufacturing units in such EMCs. Under new EMC scheme, 20 electronic manufacturing clusters and 3 common facility centers have been approved in 15 states across the country. The EMC 2.0 scheme will provide financial assistance up to 50% of project cost subject to a ceiling of rupees 70 crore per 100 acres of land for setting up of electronic manufacturing cluster projects. Electronic manufacturing clusters to be set up under this scheme will be spread in an area of 200 acres across India and 100 acres in northeast part of country. Now coming to the benefits of this scheme, it is expected that these electronic manufacturing clusters would aid in growth of electronic system and design manufacturing sector, drive innovation and catalyze the economic growth of region by attracting investments in this sector and increase the employment opportunities and also increase the tax revenue.